Hello, my name is Daniel Townley. I'm a master's candidate at SUNY Binghamton University, and I'm here to introduce the Business Review Platform, a new concept in online review and rating services. So reviews and rating services are an extremely important sector of today's web-driven economy. Customers use services such as Yelp and Google ratings to identify who they want to do business with. They use the recommendations of other users to determine what services are right for them and avoid ones which are not appropriate for their needs. Similarly, business owners depend on these reviews in order to form new relationships with new customers and maintain the quality of their relationship with existing customers. Unfortunately, these services are not all that they could be and have many limitations. One of those limitations is the one-to-one nature of the reviews which are provided. Typically, a reviewer will have a single experience with a business and provide a review based on that experience, which simply applies to, which encompasses all of their transactions with the business in question. Now, this is the format which is encouraged by the popular platforms today, but it doesn't provide a very granular or refined view of how users interact with businesses. This means that although the data might be beneficial to reviewers, it doesn't have a lot of value to business owners who might benefit more from being able to understand, for instance, how users relate or how customers relate to their business over an extended period of time. The Business Review platform attempts to solve this problem by replacing the one review per business model with a transactional model of review generation. So under this system, rather than providing a single review which encompasses their whole experience with a business, each reviewer is encouraged to rate every transaction individually that they have with a given business. Over time, these transactions will accumulate to provide a well-balanced and data-rich picture of how the customer interacts with the business. So this model is somewhat challenging. It requires a really unprecedented level of user engagement. Only by developing an extremely streamlined user experience, which encourages the user to engage and re-engage with the application, and thus provide a continuous stream of data on their interaction with the business. Therefore, the user interaction will take the form of will take the most minimal form possible. Upon logging into our application, the user will be presented with the option to immediately with the option to review a business. This will ideally be the business at which they are currently located, where they're currently carrying on a transaction, as determined by geolocation. We recognize that geolocation is not completely reliable, so in the cases where only an approximation is available, the user will also be presented with a short list of businesses so that they can identify where they are generating the review from. Once this review has been generated, it will become available to the business owners through an analytics dashboard, which will present the reviewer with various statistics on how the users have interacted with their business and rated their business over time. Now, our application will be implemented using Ruby on the Rails framework. Rails is well adapted to the needs of this project, since it has a number of excellent software packages such as Capybara, Cucumber, and RSpec, which will allow for extensive test-driven development. This will allow us to engage in to refine the user experience through several iterations until it really has the visceral appeal which is necessary for encouraging continued user engagement. Using these tools, we intend to develop an application that will bridge the gap between customer needs and business services in a way that is seamless and continually engaging. Thank you.